In this video, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 free CSS tools that have saved me countless hours of writing and troubleshooting my own code. Of course, all the links to these tools will be in the video description. Before we get started, if you're new to building websites, writing code, or just want to learn more about design, I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. First off is MagicPattern by Jim Raptis. It saved me hours of digging through W3 schools and tweaking code. MagicPattern is perfect to create pro graphics with no effort and no prior design knowledge, and their free tier is a fantastic value for $0. My favorite tools have been the gradients and the patterns. With the patterns tool, there are 22 different patterns with customizable colors and spacing. They export quickly as a PNG, or you can copy the CSS code to use in your clipboard. With a code block in Squarespace, we can paste the code within some brackets and use the dot section background to assign it to a background or to a block ID with another Squarespace block. Next on our list, we have Squarespace ID Finder from Heather Tovey. Squarespace ID Finder is a Chrome and Firefox extension that makes it quick and easy to find those section and block IDs mentioned in the previous tool. Once added to Chrome, I pinned the extension for quick access. When viewing your website, you see the block and section IDs, and clicking on them copies them to your clipboard for use in CSS. Tool number 3 is Neumorphism by Adam Geibel. A neumorphic button uses two shadows to create a raised shape and has become popular in user interface design over the last few years. Neumorphism.io makes this effect very easy to achieve by playing with a handful of sliders. The code is right there for you to copy and use in your designs. Similar tools I use as well are Smooth Shadow and Box Shadow. Their links will be in the description too. Tool number 4 is Undraw by Katerina Lipinzoni. There are at least 800 designs to browse or search for. I've seen healthcare related designs, animals, characters doing a hobby, fitness, you name it, it's probably here. There is a primary color selector at the top of the page to adjust to your needs. Each design can be downloaded as a PNG or SVG. Last but not least is the infamous ChatGPT. If you've been living under a rock, ChatGPT is a large language model AI chatbot. It can do more than just write your college papers or cover letter. It can write code. I'm going to ask it to write code for a table. And about 2 seconds later, we got it. Let's paste it in a code block and see how it did. What's impressive about this chatbot is you can continue the conversation. I'm going to ask it to make the top row blue, the remaining rows light gray, and the borders white. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video interesting or helpful and would like to see more, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Just a reminder that all the links to these tools are down below in the video description. We'll see you next time.